Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 3rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to become a better trader or investor. But I am not a financial advisor, so please still do your own research and make your own decisions. So basically, Tesla had a sideways day almost. At least from a closing perspective, we were up 7 cents. We closed at 709.74. Post-market, we seem to be up by 27 cents at 710.01. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. We have a red candle because we opened quite higher than what we closed at. So we opened at 719, closed at 709. And we went pretty high also. So the high of the day was 722. So still lower than the high of yesterday. So we are seeing a little bit of a deceleration in the momentum. In terms of the low of the day sat pretty much smack on 700. So we tested the support at 700 one more time, but this time not with the body of the candle, but with a wick. This is a little bit of a stronger move to test this with the wick, having the body a little bit higher. This is nice. I just drew also before coming live this other resistance. So we are in the presence of a channel. So Tesla has been in a channel, a bullish channel, since I would say May 19th. So basically, we have been trading between these two lines here, the support line and the resistance line. But sometimes we go towards this second resistance line in the channel, depending on the force of the stock at the time. Then we either get stopped by this first resistance or this second resistance. And we also have this third resistance that is a very strong resistance that has been in place since last year. So we should keep that in mind. So basically, yesterday we touched this first channel resistance. And today we did not get as high. Maybe there's a little bit of weakening, but in terms of the low, we have a higher low than yesterday, and also the fact that the body of the candle is higher. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. This is the first candle of the day. So we opened at 719, went straight down, then down also on the second hour. Look at the stochastic when we are at the second hour of the day. So stochastic was not that much down. Yes, it was down. It was at 63, but it was not like it went below 50. So it was really showing that, yes, the stock was pulling back, but there were still force in the stock. And then we had 3 green candles before another, I think that's another red. So basically we recovered from the downturn a little bit. We recovered halfway. Let's go back to the daily chart to see what happened to the indicators. So stochastic at 83. So stochastic also very strong over 80. MACD still crossed over and widening the distance between the blue line and the orange line. DMI also pretty big distance between the two lines. This is an indication of a very strong move. So basically what I think is happening is that Tesla is taking a breather a little bit. So it's taking a breather over 700, stabilizing a little bit. And the best scenario would be for Tesla to take its time and stabilize until it comes back to this support from this channel and then starts to resume again to maybe try to hit around $760 this time. So that would be the best scenario. And if we look at the past, look at what Tesla did here. We had a big move and we consolidated for 5, 6, 7 days before pulling back down and coming back up again and zigzagging a little bit. I think that right now, because of the earnings, we have a stronger fundamental for the stock. So I think that, and this is just speculation, but I think that because of the stronger fundamental, people will not let this stock fall down as much as what it did right here. So I am hopeful that we are going to have some sideways action, but that we won't be going down too much over here. Also the fact that we broke this psychological 700, I have good hope that we can maintain ourselves over 700. At least this is my wish. We're going to have to see the rest of the week and also next week to see what happens. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. Join me on my YouTube channel so that you can watch my weekly recap that I do during the weekend, and when we take a look at Tesla stock and also Palantir from a technical analysis, but from a weekly point of view to get a broader idea of where the stock might be going for the next week. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.